We did some research and we found out that approximately 60 to 70 students every year who graduate from high school here go on to major in business in college. So we wanted to give them a more formal program to help be more advanced before they go to college. So when they do go to college, they already have a lot of those basic classes down. So it will help them lead the class and be ahead of their peers in college. I'm Mrs. Tontadinato, and I am the Department Chairperson of Applied Arts and Technology. We hope with the Algonquin Business concentration that we're going to give students that intend to major in business in college a more formal, individualized program, but project-based, developed by both the student and the business teachers. There's no set courses. There are set core courses and electives and capstone classes, but the student sort of develops what they want to take. So we want to match student skills and interests to that program. And we also are aligning the curriculum to college business core courses that every business student in college takes before they go off in their specific focus and area. And we want students to stand out above their peers in the college application process. Obviously, if the admissions office from a college sees that a student takes 5 or 6 or 7 business courses in this whole program, and they did a good job at it, that they will believe that what is true is that the student is very serious about majoring in business in college.
To complete the business concentration in Algonquin, you need to complete at least one core business course. That includes Business Fundamentals and Marketing 1. You also need to complete at least 3 business elective courses, which include Accounting, AP Microeconomics, Business Law, Career Development, Contemporary Issues Facing the Global Economy, Corporate Finance, Fashion and Retail, Financial Literacy, International Business, Microeconomics and Finance, or Sports and Entertainment Marketing. On top of that, you need to complete at least one capstone business course, which includes the following: Business Research and Applications, Entrepreneurship, or an internship.
My sophomore year, I took Marketing 1. My junior year, I took Marketing 2 and Marketing Research. My senior year, I'm taking Economics, Internship, and Entrepreneurship. This will then complete the program.
I took the business classes because I've always been really interested in business, specifically like sales and marketing, and I plan on being a business major in college. I took Marketing 1 my sophomore year, and this year, my junior year, I took Marketing Research and Accounting, and next year I am going to take AP Microeconomics and Sports Marketing.